Hey guys, I'm, yeah, what's the matter? Am I too creepy for you? Hey guys, Guys here, and I am dressed up as the puppet in girl form. And today we are going to be turning this place into an arcade. As you could see, we already have an office and stuff like that. But I did those off camera, and I have my little music playing, and I got a little music, and I got a box, and I got the box for the marionette to be in. I'm gonna be playing the marionette, and Fireboy, he is going to be playing. Who was it? Oh yeah, Foxy. And we need more players. Oh, and funny thing, guys, guess what happened? I forgot my password, and now I can't. Now I don't know how. I guess I'm gonna have to make another one. This time, write down what my password is. And we need somebody to play Freddy, Bonnie, Chica, Mangle, Golden Freddy. Yeah, you know. And yes, we are going to be doing like a role play with FNAF, Five Nights at Freddy's. I hope that night guard is winding up my music box. Otherwise, I'll get him. But before I go and kill the night guard, guys, let's make an arcade. There's one arcade machine. Uh-oh. Well, I think that's all the arcade machines I'm making. Well, guys, I gotta go because it's almost 6 a.m. and I have to go scare the night guard. So, check out my... Please subscribe if you haven't already. Later.
Advanced mobility, they even let them walk around during the day. That neat. But most importantly, they're all tied into some kind of criminal database so they can detect the killer a mile away. Heck, we should be paying them.
Better keep that music box wound up, or I'll come and play. Guys, I'm just pretending that there's a night guard here. Wait for it. How long does it take for the marionette to jump scare? Sheesh.